The Caring Communities project has been about empowering these people, these groups, and making their voices heard.
The project set out to test and learn what care and support could look like if the community was in the lead and in charge. What we found is that the services that are often given to communities, given to people, don't really work. And actually what we need to do is to work with communities to find out what they require and then to collaborate with them to take those ideas forward.
I care for my husband, who's a veteran. Prior to coming to Carer Club, I had nothing. We had no external carers coming in, it was just me trying to cope. And then from starting the group and watching the group grow, I've been able to get resources and have external carers come in, and it's had an amazing effect on my mental health. I think this project has definitely taught me that in the community there's a lot more resources that are local as well as the big ones you hear about.